Good morning, students. Welcome to IIT Mathematics classes. Students, today I am going to explain a new concept that is nothing but logarithms. So, before going to logarithms, once you can revise and recall powers and exponents you already learned in the previous class. So, for example, 3 power x equal to 3 square. What is the x value, children, here? X value is 2. You can easily say because base are equal, power should be equal. Suppose 3 power 5 equal to x power 3 is given. How to identify x? It is difficult. So, what are difficulties in the powers and exponents? That concepts you can resolve in logarithms. So, logarithms. So, what is the logarithm? So, all of you look at the board. The logarithm of any positive number to given base not equal to 1, is the index of the power of the base which is equal to the number. Once again, following with me, children. The logarithm of any positive number to given base is nothing but the index of power of the base which is equal to the number. So, come to mathematical definition. If n and a are any two positive real numbers, n is a positive real number and a is a positive real number with condition a not equal to 1. And for some real number x, take another real number x. A to the power of x equal to n, then x is said to be the logarithm of n to the base a. It is written as log n to the base a equal to x. That is, if a power x equal to n, then x equal to log n base a. Are you understand or not? Okay. Simple way say, you can consider n a positive real number, a positive real number, and x should be any real number, maybe positive or negative. 3 real numbers. Understand? N, A, X. And condition what? A not equal to 1. For example, if a power x equal to n, then x is called logarithm of n to the base a. It is the very simplest manner. Understood, children? Okay. I will explain with example. First of all of you note it down on your running notebook. So look at this example. 3 to the power of 4 is how much, children? 81. Then how to write 4 equal to log 81 base 3. See one more example. We know 7 cube is how much? 343. 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cube is how much, children? 343. Then log of 343 under base 7 equal to 3. Understood or not, children? 7 cube. What is the base here? Base is 7. What is the index is here? 3. What is the argument value here? 343. So come to logarithm definition. Logarithm of this argument value 343. Base is 7. Here base is 7. Here also base is 7. This index can write after logarithm. That is the logarithm of 343 under the base 7 is equal to 3. Is it clear? See one more example. Very simple concept, children. 9 square equal to how much? 9 into 9, 81. So 9 square equal to 81. Then how to calculate logarithm? base not changes, 9 only. This index line are equal to logarithm of 81 to the base 9 is equal to 2. See one more example. 5 cube is equal to how much, children? 125. Then logarithm of 125 to the base not changes. Exponent or logarithm base is common. The base 5. You can write the index here 3. Next, 7 to the power minus 3 is equal to what is the value? 1 by 343. Then logarithm how to write? Then logarithm of 1 by 343 and the base 7 is equal to minus 3. Again, 7 to the power 1 how much, children? 7. Then log of 7. See, children, here 7 to the power 1 equals 7, you can know. Logarithm of 7, see all of it, under base 7 is equal to what? 1. Okay, children. So from this all example, what you are observing, once again look at the board. 3 to the power of equal to 81. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 81. How to convert it logarithm? You can write this is 4 equal to log 81 base 3 or log 81 base 3 equal to 4. Same only. Same the LHS and RHS. 7 cube equal to 343. 7 into 7 into 7 equal to 343. Then logarithm of 343 under the base 7 is equal to how much? 3. 9 square equal to 81. Then logarithm of 81 under the base 9 is equal to how much? 2. Okay, children. Next, 5 cube equal to 125. Then logarithm of 125 base 5 equal to 3. 7 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 343. Then logarithm of 1 by 343 base 7 equal to minus 3. 7 to the power 1 equal to how much? 7. Then logarithm of 7 to the base 7 is equal to 1. So now come to our main definition. I already said to you. A power x equal to n, then logarithm of n to the base equal to x. Is it clear what is the logarithm definition? So in all examples, what you are observing, a and n always positive real numbers. A and n always positive real numbers. Okay, children, understand? And here, condition also important. Log to the base. So what you are observing, a value always not equal to 1. Okay, a value always not equal to 1. Greater than 1 you can consider. So see here, 3 is a positive number, 81 is a positive number, 7 is a positive number, 343 positive number. 9 is positive number, 81 is positive number, 5 is positive, 125 positive number, 7 is a positive real number, 1 by 343 is positive real number, but power may be negative. That's why in the definition I said to you, let n and a not equal to b are any two positive real numbers and there exists a real number x. Real number x, either positive or negative. If there exists a real number x, if a power x equal to n, then x is equal to logarithm of n to the base a. And understand what is the logarithm? How to convert an exponential form into logarithmic form, logarithmic form into exponential form. Very simple. See logarithm to exponent how to convert. For example, logarithm of 100 base 10 is how much? 2 is given. Then exponent how to convert, base is fixed 10. Here interchange the logarithmic value and square equal to 100. This is the way to convert logarithmic into exponential form, exponential forms into logarithmic forms. Is it clear, children, all of you? Please note it down the examples and how I am explained. You can please observe it. Okay, children? Now we learn about the system of logarithms. So look at the board, children. Generally we have two type of systems of logarithms. So what are that? Those are nothing but common logarithms and natural logarithms. So what is the mathematical definition of natural logarithms and common logarithms? Look at the board. So all of you look at the board, children. System of logarithms. So generally we have natural logarithms and common logarithms. What are the natural logarithms? They are calculated with a base e, where e is equal to 2.78 to its approximate value, exponential value. So simply remember log base e. For example, here 10 is given, some value is there. So in natural logarithm, where is ln, not logos, ln base e, some value, we'll got it. So this type of logarithms are called natural logarithms. This type of logarithm generally used in higher engineering mathematics or for scientists and astronauts. So higher calculations we are using natural logarithms. Okay, children, you can study about it in higher studies how to apply this type of logarithms. Now our main focus is on common logarithms. What are the common logarithms? Logarithms to the base 10 are called common logarithms. So these common logarithms, in the place of logarithm, we are used LOG log symbol. For example, logarithm of 100 base 10 equal to 2, or logarithm of 1000 base 10 equal to 3. Base 10 logarithms are called common logarithms. In our studies, we are using generally common logarithms. Whenever particularly logarithm not mentioned, we can consider it is log 10. Okay, children? So, here one more important point. Natural logarithms also called Napier logarithms. Napier. Because this type of logarithms are introduced by John Napier. So that's why it is called Napier logarithms. Common logarithms also called Briggs logarithms. Briggs. Because Briggs is a mathematician, contemporary mathematician Napier. Okay? That means Napier is Briggs is the same year. So natural logarithms are called Napier logarithms, common logarithms are called Briggs logarithm. For our level, we can do any type of logarithm problems, generally we are using common logarithms. This type of logarithms you can observe in the, you can see the one tabular book, physics, chemistry and mathematics formula books are available in the market. If you turn out the pages, last page, logarithmic tables are there. These all the tables are designed under common logarithms. Are understand today class, children? So today I am attaching some problems to convert exponential form into logarithmic form and logarithmic form into exponential form. You can please do this homework for your next class. Thank you.